This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming compatibility. Check if your camera has Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, or accepts a removable card. Once done, charge both devices to at least 30% so transfers don't fail midway. Make sure the camera's connectivity mode is enabled and the phone has the manufacturer's app installed. Otherwise, prepare a USB OTG adapter or card reader. You do this because a stable connection reduces corruption and speeds the transfer. So set these essentials before moving to pairing or card access. Now connect. If using Wi-Fi, open the camera's network mode, then join that network on your phone and launch the app. If Bluetooth, pair using the phone's Bluetooth settings. Once connected, browse thumbnails in the app, select the images you need and choose transfer size, full resolution or compressed, to control speed and storage. Alternatively, remove the SD card, insert it in a USB OTG adapter or card reader, and copy files with your file manager. You do this because direct reads are faster and more reliable than repeated wireless retries. Finish by verifying every transferred photo opens and then move them into your chosen album or upload to cloud backup for safekeeping. After that, safely eject the SD card or disable the camera's Wi-Fi to preserve battery life. If anything goes wrong, like pairing failures or missing files, restart both devices, toggle airplane mode for a clean network reset, and retry. Sometimes reformatting the card or updating the app fixes persistent issues. You do these final steps to ensure integrity and future access to your images.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.